Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here today. I'm gonna create a little look. So if you want to see what look I come up with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so I'm actually gonna do something that I've never really done. Yeah, so I'm gonna do a look of this. I know this is kind of like not my normal stuff, but we're just gonna go into it. And if I have to make something else, we'll mix it, but let's just go in. So first I'm gonna go with this shade. This is gray, so let's go into that. And I'm putting that on a Y210 for Makeup by Yolondo. This is gray. I've never used gray shadows before, ever. The only thing that's the issue, this is like the only matte shade in this palette. Only matte. This is the only matte. This is a T4. And I'm just gonna use that from Makeup Shack to like blend the edges. Where did I put that brush? I don't know, man, about this gray. Okay, actually I think I'm gonna just take this shade right here. This is like just totally like white, and this is from Half Baked. This is called a snack pack, and I'm just gonna use that. Just there's literally no color in there, but I want this to just blend the edges. What is that? Oh, the blush. And now I'm gonna go back in that gray, kind of smoke it up a little bit. This is very interesting, like it's wild. What is my glitter glue? This is on a M421 from Morphe. I'm just putting like a little bit of glitter glue. I'm gonna take another M421. I'm gonna go into these three shades. So we're gonna see what. I'm gonna take the first shade in the bottom, so I'm gonna go into this shade right here. I'm gonna put this like right here. And I'm gonna go into that super white shade or real light shade right here, and I'm gonna put that kind of up like right here. I'm gonna take an M506 and I'm gonna go into this shade right here, and I'm just gonna blend those two shades together right here. And now we're gonna go back to that dark gray. Perfect. So that's it for that eye. I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. Eyes are done. I mean, not my thing. Like, I don't know, I'm not usually a gray kind of girl, but you know, the look came out okay. It's okay. So let's jump into primer. I'm gonna use this, I don't know, what's it, Jecca Blac Hydrate primer. My face is like super dry, so it's vegan friendly, cruelty, although this is not the time for me to try a new primer because my face is like not happy with me. because I'm recording all these videos, but you know, we'll see. See my, you know, burn right here. This feels good. It is super hydrating, but that's what they say. So you see how my face is like already glowing. Okay, so let's go in with my foundation. Actually, I'm gonna use this foundation right here from ABH. It's a luminous foundation, so I'm going in with all like just hydrated everything today, and I'm putting this on my 732 Luxie brush. Oh, this is like taking forever. I'm like hydrating all the way. No, I don't really have a super hydrating concealer. No. I just went like crazy. Oh my god. That might be too much. Ooh, this girl. Ooh, I look so dewy. I am like extra dewy. I'm trying to figure out what concealer I'm gonna put there, because you know, since I've already started the dew, why don't this go super crazy dewy? This is not very dewy, but it's also not very matte. And this is from ABH, not ABH, sorry, Nars. It's their Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is considered a little bit dark, but that's fine. Didn't realize this was so dark. I think I'm gonna put a little bit here, just a little bit. And we're gonna use Good Apple from Kat Von D. You know, I don't know what the hype is about this. Like, it's okay. That's it. Okay. This is very red. You know, the girl at Sephora was like, oh yeah, that'll match you. I'm like, girl, yeah, for a contour, but not for like foundation. I don't even like this as a contour. Yeah, it's okay. Just okay. Ain't nothing to write home about. And let's go ahead and blend out this concealer. Dude, I am so dewy, like so dewy. And I feel like I just put like more stuff that's dewy. I'm like, oh, let's just do it up some more, even if I'm already dewy. Why not just give it some more, right? I mean, I'm guessing it's the primer, because usually this concealer is not that it's not that dewy. So this like primer is like super dewy. Oh god. Okay, let me see what I can put on here to help with this dew I have going on here. Let's go in with some powder. And that's from Nikkia Joy. Okay, let me set my face with maybe this. I don't know what's going on with this powder. It's like I can't get to the powder, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut like a big old hole. I'm gonna get to that powder. What is my powder brush right here? See what I did? I did like a whole, like big hole. Oh no, that's too much. Like Like, I'm gonna get into this powder. Not sure how, but I'm getting in there. Under my eye is still a little bit heavy, but I'm gonna leave it and we'll dust it off when I'm done. Okay, let's go underneath the eye. Where's my mirror? I'm like using this palette for my mirror today. So I don't like what that powder did right here, like right here. But we'll see if we can fix it up. Okay, let's go back to that gray. Oh, this is a smudge brush from Mercier. I actually got this from Marshall's for like $3. Okay. For my waterline, I'm gonna go ahead and put some Porcelana from Melt. I mean, the look is okay. I'm just not, you know, feeling the gray. I don't know. It's not terrible. It's not terrible. And for my... Nope. I'm gonna go into this shade right here. And I'm gonna put it in my inner corners. Okay. That is that. Okay, let's go ahead and bronze. I don't know what bronzer should I use. Actually, let's use this. This is from Beaute. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. So the shade, like when you open it up, it's this shade. A little bit darker on my forehead right here. Okay, no, let's use this. Let's use Peachy from Beauty Bay for blush. Let's peach it up. Let's go into this monstrosity. So I'm gonna go into this. This is the P.Louise base palette. And I'm using Happily Ever After for my highlighter. Okay, I mean, we are like literally almost done. So, 1 second. Pretty, this looks cute with this. It's like all polka dotty. I was gonna put something else in there, but I forgot, and it's downstairs, and you know, we're just gonna make this work. Okay, let's put on some lipstick. I'm gonna use this bright lipstick. It's a Super It lip oil from Ensa. Maybe the white silent, who knows? But this is bright. Well, this is something else. I don't know if I like this, because it's like you can't really keep it one place. It just keeps like going all over the place. So yep, yeah, so that's it for this video. Like I don't know, man, like it's gray and silver and white, not necessarily my thing. Like I wouldn't just jump and be like, oh, let me go ahead and, you know, do a gray look. But yeah, I like how it came out. So yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family. We're trying to grow here, and I will see you on my next video. Bye, guys.